Now let us see the first one. The human activity that disturbs the environment, the major human activity is that adding waste to the environment. What is the waste? What does it mean? Waste is something which is useless, purposeless, which is thrown into the environment, which is naturally not a part of the environment. If it is a natural material, it can mix it in the environment. So we are throwing a lot of waste every day. You can check what kind of waste you are throwing in the garbage truck that comes to your house every day to collect the garbage. Your mother or you may be carrying the garbage bin, or the person may come, the municipality or corporation person may come, he may take the garbage bin and dump it in the garbage truck. So if you observe the garbage, what kind of things you find in them? You find in that fruit or vegetable peels, and you may find packing material and leftover food and other materials, other waste. So if you see what kind of waste you are throwing in the garbage bin, you may find some fruit peels, you may find some packaged material, you may find some food and other materials. You may find some paper or cloth. But do you think that all these materials, they take part in the biogeocycles? Do you think that all these materials, they mix up with the environment without any problem? No. So the environment may take up certain materials without any problem. Means the environment consists of certain cycles, biogeocycles, biogeochemical cycles, in which certain materials, they mix up in the environment. They may be easily mixed up with the soil. They may be easily mixed up with the air. But sometimes, in some cases, certain materials cannot mix up in the environment. Even though they mix up with the environment, they mix with the soil or they mix with the air, they may cause some problems. See, for example, the packing material. Most of the packing material is comprised of plastic. We see that we carry many of the things in plastic covers. Many of the items are wrapped in plastic covering. So plastic is unavoidable material today. That is either for packing, even to carry the food items also the plastic is being used. So if you wanted to carry some curry or curd or milk, everything is packed in plastic. Even whatever the wrappers you eat, chips you eat, biscuits you eat, chocolates you eat, everything is wrapped in plastic. So all this plastic waste, the packaging material is thrown into the garbage bin, that is thrown into the environment. So what happens to that? Environment is not having the mechanisms to digest each and everything, just like you. So you are there, we are the humans. If we are given an apple, yes, we can eat the apple, we can digest it. We can get energy out of the apple. How? Because we can digest it. For digestion, what do we have? Enzymes. And we have some biochemical cycles in our body. We have some biochemical cycles. So the biochemical cycles, with the help of these enzymes, they break down the apple into energy. So if you take apple, banana, fruits, vegetables, rice, grains, pulses, all these things, definitely you get energy. All these things are converted to energy with the help of enzymes, or they are present in your body. But if you are given a bit of wood, if you are given a bit of coal, if you are given a bit of stone to eat, can you get energy? Will your body digest this stone or a small piece of coal or a small piece of wood? Definitely not. Your body cannot digest stone, wood or coal, such materials. If you eat a metal can you digest? No. Because you don't have enzymes to digest that material in your body. Here you may notice one more thing. If a cockroach, it has eaten a small bit of paper, it can digest. It has got the enzymes to digest that paper or leather, but you don't have. In such a way, the environment is not having the facility, it is not having the cycles, biogeochemical cycles to digest everything, to decompose everything, to degrade everything. So degradation is not possible for every material in the environment. Such cases, what happens? They remain in the environment and cause problems. Sometimes, if they are even degraded, the degraded form is also not good for the people. Even though the materials are degraded, they get accumulated in the environment. That means they cannot change from one form to another form easily. For example, they are accumulated in the soil. See, for example, any natural thing, a plant or an animal died. So the dead animal, it decomposes in the soil. The minerals present in the animal are reaching the soil. So once they reach the soil, again from the soil they reach to the air, they reach to the plants. So in this way they are circulated. But certain substances, even though they are degraded, even though they are reached to soil, they cannot enter the air, they cannot enter the other organisms, they get accumulated in a particular place, which leads to pollution. So this is what happens when the waste is added to the environment. Then all the waste is not degraded. Some waste is degraded. Of course, if it is degraded, it may not be able to circulate among the different components of the environment. So it get accumulated and causes pollution. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.